how to find add preferences settings on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find add preferences settings on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and now just click this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then just go down until you find here this one, account settings. And now go down and here you will find add preferences. Click on it and now you can manage anything you want here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.